Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a word problem about altitude and temperature. We will use a given formula to set up an inequality. Solve it step by step. Write the answer in interval notation. And graph it on a number line. Here is the problem. The temperature T, in degrees Fahrenheit, at altitude A, in feet, is approximated by the formula T equals 59 minus 0.00356 times A. For what altitudes is the temperature below 32 degrees Fahrenheit? Let's understand the formula first. The variable A represents the altitude in feet. That is what we are solving for. The variable T represents the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, and it depends on A. The formula tells us that as altitude goes up, temperature goes down. The question asks when the temperature is below 32 degrees. Below 32 degrees means strictly less than 32. So we replace T in the formula with the expression, and set it less than 32. Step 2. Set up the inequality. We substitute the formula for T and write 59 minus 0.00356 is less than 32. Step 3. Subtract 59 from both sides. On the left, 59 minus 59 cancels out, leaving negative 0.00356a. On the right, 32 minus 59 equals negative 27. We now have negative 0.00356. It is less than negative 27. Step 4. Divide both sides by negative 0.00356. Here is the critical rule. When you divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the inequality sign flips direction. Less than becomes greater than. Negative 27 divided by negative 0.00356 equals approximately 7,584.27. So our solution is, A is greater than 7,584.27. Now let's write the answer in interval notation. Our solution is A is greater than 7,584.27. We use an open parenthesis at 7,584.27 because that value is not included. The solution goes to positive infinity, which also gets a parenthesis. The interval notation is, open parenthesis, 7,584.27, comma, positive infinity, close parenthesis. Now let's graph the solution on a number line. We place an open circle at 7,584.27 because that value is not included. Then we shade everything to the right, toward positive infinity. Let's put the answer back in context. The temperature is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When the altitude is greater than 7,584.27 feet. In other words, above approximately 7,584 feet. The temperature drops below freezing. Let's recap everything. The formula is T equals 59 minus 0.00356a. We set up the inequality, 59 minus 0.00356 is less than 32. Subtracting 59 from both sides gave us, negative 0.00356 is less than negative 27. Dividing both sides by negative 0.00356 flipped the sign, giving us, A is greater than 7,584.27. In interval notation the answer is, open parenthesis, 7,584.27, comma, positive infinity, close parenthesis. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.